Church, Hillfields Indian Primary School in Omianyao Sub-County, Kidgun District in Uganda. This year we planted onion, red variety, red broad variety, and it is rich in protein for bodybuilding, and it protects us in diseases. We also plant beans, K132, and we plant also soybean, NAM3, and they also rich in protein for our bodybuilding. This year we work with our friends here in the garden, and also we will work together next year, and we'll plant more than this. Thank you.